Again, welcome to the second part of this question. And again, welcome to Math Companion. Now, in the second part, this second part here, we're supposed to be working out the cosine of 75 degrees, just to be able to prove that we will get the solution on the right hand side. All right, now to be able to do this question effectively, we must remember the formulas that we have learned before. We know the cosine, the double angle formula, actually, the two angle formula, the cosine of A plus B is simply equal to the cosine of A multiplied by the cosine of B minus the sine of A sine B. This is a very, very important formula for us. Now, we need to write 75 degrees as the sum of special angles. So, this is the sum formula. So, what should 75 degrees be in terms of the special angles? Now, 75 degrees, 75. In terms of the special angles, it can be made of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Therefore, we can say cosine 45 plus 30, all right, is equals to cosine 45 sine, cos 30 minus sine 45 sine 30. Okay, now what is cosine 45? So we need to break this one down. Okay, cosine 45 is equals to the square root of 2 divided by 2. Cosine 30 from the special angles that we already know is the same as the square root of 3 over 2. All right, sine 45 is equals to the square root of 2 over 2, and sine 30 is equals to a half. Now, our next step now is to simply combine all this. So we need cosine 45 multiplied by cos 30. So square root of 2 over 2 is the cosine of 45 multiplied by cosine 30, the square root of 3 over 2, minus sine 45, the square root of 2 over 2, multiplied by sine 30, which is a half. Right. Now, there's something that is interesting here. All the denominators have 2. So we can say the square root of 2, the square root of 3, everything over 4, minus the square root of 2 over 4. Now, our next step is to have a common denominator, which is the square root of 2, square root of 3, here there's a multiplication, minus the square root of 2 divided by 4. Now, you factorize out the square root of 2. So you have the square root of 2 outside the bracket into the square root of 3 minus 1. Then everything here you divide by 4. And hence, this is the final solution. All right, thank you again for watching. Please, I'm inviting you for the third part of this equation, for this question. So that is part C, to be continued. Please subscribe and click the notification button to keep yourself updated with the interesting mathematics equation we keep on posting. Thank you so much.